Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French once again. Well, to learn French step by step, all you need is to subscribe our channel. Now in this video, we are going to learn from the numbers from 21 to 50. Well, you all know we have already done the numbers from 0 to 20 in our last video. So here we go. 21. That's want a, want a. 22. That's vent the, vent the. 23. That's vent trois, vent trois. 24 is vent quatre, vent quatre. 25. That's vent cinq, vent cinq. 26. And that is vent six, vent six. Now 27 is called vent sept, vent sept. 28, and that is vent huit, vent huit. 29, and that is vent neuf, vent neuf. Well, if you know 20, that means you can do from 21 to 29. Now comes a new verb, that is 30, and that is called trente, trente. Now you can do 31 to 39 very easily. That's trente et un, trente et un. That is 30 and 1 makes 31. Trente deux, that's 32. Trente deux. 33, that's trente trois, trente trois. Now comes 34, that's trente quatre, trente quatre. 35, and that is trente cinq, trente cinq. Now comes 36, that's trente six, trente six. 37, and that is trente sept, trente sept. Now it's 38, and that is trente huit, trente huit. 39 is trente neuf, trente neuf. Now you can see, if you know 30, you can do from 31 to 39 very easily. Now comes 40, and that is quarante, quarante. That's 40. Now 41, quarante et un, quarante et un. 42, that's quarante deux, quarante deux. Now comes 43, that's quarante trois, quarante trois. And 44 is called quarante quatre, quarante quatre. 45, and that is quarante cinq, quarante cinq. 46 is, that is quarante six, quarante six. That's 46. 47, quarante sept, quarante sept. 48 is quarante huit, quarante huit. Now it's 49, that's quarante neuf, 49. Now it's very easy. If you know 40, that means you can do from 41 to 49. Now what you have to learn is the number 50, and that is 50. 50. So I hope you understand all the numbers, but we'll do it once again. 1 et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 30 et 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 et 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and the last is 50. That's 50. Now you can see 21, 31, 41 and 51. That's not here, but it all has et in between, that is and, but rest of the number it only have an hyphen, so you have to remember this. So that's all for this video. Well, to learn French step by step, all you need is to subscribe our channel Eazy French, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please click this button, and if you click this bell button, you get all the information about our coming videos. Till then, happy learning French. Thanks.